Huh? I can't hear you. Okay, you're thinking too hard. So how do we get rid of the log sign? We put the 17, right? Because it says log of 17. Okay, so you're going to say 17. And this really trick only works if there's a 17 on both sides. So you're going to raise to the power of 17. Okay, the same way that you did yesterday. Okay, well what happens is then this log cancels and this log cancels. Okay, and so all you have left is really the stuff inside the parentheses. So negative 2v minus 5 equals negative v minus 2. There. Okay, so now it's just a matter of solving, okay? And the way that I do this, especially for those of you guys that have not had me all year, okay, the letters go to the left of the equal sign, okay? You could separate this into two sides, left and right, okay? The letters go to the left and numbers go to the right. So negative 2v, is that a letter or a number? It's a letter. If it has a letter in it, then it's a letter. Okay, so that's already on the left, so we don't need to move it. Minus 5, is that a letter or a number? It's a number, so it does need moved. So we're going to say plus 5. What are we going to put that under, the V or the 2? Under the 2. Okay. Okay, and you see I X'd one out. So what other thing needs to be moved? And the way that you can tell, see how these have stuff under them? And this one doesn't, and this one doesn't. So one of these two need moved. Which one needs moved? This V needs moved. He's a letter, so he needs to go to the left. So we're going to say plus V plus V. What is negative 2V plus 1V? 1V, negative 1V equals negative 2 plus 5. 3. Okay, and then what do we need to do? Divide by negative 1. So you're going to get V equals negative 3. Okay, so if we look at number 3, what's the very first thing you need to do? Do the 8 on both sides. So 8 and 8. That way it gets rid of the logs. Okay, so you're going to have 2 minus 4x equals negative x plus 2. Okay, and again, letters go to the left, numbers go to the right. What needs moved? Which 2? The very first one. So we're going to say minus 2. And what are we going to put that under? Under the other 2. Okay, so these ones are going to cancel. What else needs moved? The x. So we're going to say plus x plus x. Negative 4x plus 1x. Negative 3x equals 2 minus 2. 0. Okay, and then what? Divide by negative 3. What is 0 divided by negative 3? 0. Okay, look at 5. What's the first thing you need to do? Do it to the 12. Okay, so we got negative 2k equals 2k plus 3. Okay, now this one looks funny because it doesn't have 3 pieces. Just go through and ask yourself, is it a letter or is it a number? Okay, is negative 2k a letter or a number? Letter, and it stays on the left, so that one does not need moved. What about this 2k? It's got to move, okay? It's a letter and it's on the right, so it needs to be moved to the left. Does the 3 need moved? No, it's already on the right. Numbers go on the right. Okay, negative 2 minus 2. Try again. Negative 4k equals 3. Divided by negative 4. Okay, what is 3 divided by negative 4? divide. 3 divided by negative 4. What'd you get? Negative 3 over 4. All that's saying is that fraction doesn't reduce anymore. Okay? Okay, 7. We're going to say to the 15. I got 23 equals negative 9. Just kidding. 9 minus x. Okay, now, some of you guys are gonna be like, why do you do it this way? Because it just goes with the habit, okay? However, there are other ways to solve them, so if you do it a different way than me, that's totally fine, okay? What needs moved? The x does need moved, and where are we gonna put him? No, why can't we not put him with the 23? He ain't got a letter. Okay, so you can only gonna put letters with letters, so he's gonna go over here. Let's write 23. Okay, he's gonna go over here, so plus x. Okay, who else needs moved? The 23. Okay, and if you just move the 9 over, that's totally okay, but you do need to divide by that negative 1 if you know what I'm talking about, then you know. If not, then don't worry about what I'm talking about. Okay, 9 minus 23, negative 14. Is there anything for us to divide? Nope. Okay, so this one is done. Okay, we're going to cross off 9 and 10. Okay, so make sure you cross off 9 and 10. Okay, 11. We're going to say to the 8, to the 8. So I got 4 minus 2x equals negative 3x minus 3. What needs moved? The 4 needs moved. And what are we going to put that under? Under the 3. What else needs moved? The 3x needs moved. Negative 2 plus 3. 1x equals negative 3 minus 4. Negative 7. And then what? Divide by 1. What is negative 7 divided by 1? Negative 7. Okay, 13. We're going to say to the 11, to the 11. So I got negative 2n plus 1 equals negative n plus 8. What needs moved? The 1 needs moved, and where we're going to put him under? Under the 8. Why the 8? It's another number. Okay, what else needs moved? The negative n, so we're going to say plus n plus n. Negative 2n plus n. Negative 1n equals 8 minus 1, 7. And then what? Oh, no. I mean, you can talk it over there. Okay, so you're going to get negative 7. Okay, last one. What's your first step? 15, what's your first step? Do the 16. So you're gonna get 4x equals negative 3x plus 5. What needs moved? The negative 3x. So we're gonna say plus 3x plus 3x. What else needs moved? Huh? That's it. Alright. So 3 plus 4 is gonna give me 7x equals 5. And then what? Divide by 7. Oh, shoot. Okay, what is 5 divided by 7? It's still 5 over 7. That one does not simplify.